Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collapse sources from view in NotebookLM. So once you've got your source material squared away, then you might want to be interacting with the chatbot or creating artifacts using the studio. But you'll notice that the source panel is about a quarter of your page, and that might be a bit too much. If you need to, and you're done with those, and you don't really need to interact with the source material itself in terms of removing them, renaming them, and that kind of thing, you can just collapse this, and it'll still be visible. Like those things are still there. You can see the little icons. You can still add sources using this icon, but it frees up a lot of the space on your screen to interact with the other features of NotebookLM. So if you've got your sources squared away and you want to use the other features of NotebookLM, you can free up a lot of that screen space by just collapsing that panel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.